Hello friends, so I'm back with another video on latest Gulf jobs today, and in today's video I'm going to cover around 40 job postings. So you will get job for all the Gulf countries, all category jobs are available. So please don't skip, watch complete video so that you should not miss any opportunity. So the first posting is for Saudi and it's a long-term job. Client interviews will be on 27th of December at Chennai, Kochi and Baroda. The positions are production supervisors, cutting machine operator, folder gluing machine operator, cylinder die cutting machine operator, foil stamping manual machine operator, perfect binding machine operator, binding worker, and offset printing workers. So all candidates should have SSC, ITI, or 3 to 5 years of relevant experience. Indian experience will also be accepted. So attractive salary, overtime, free food, accommodation, and transportation will be provided by company. The offices for these postings are Chennai, Baroda, and Kochi. You can see the WhatsApp number and email IDs for all three locations. So you can choose any of your nearest location and apply immediately. Next is for Greece. The position is plumber foreman. Blueprint experience is mandatory. Candidate must have experience in handling teams. So the email ID for this posting is kavita@dss-hr.com. You can see the contact number as well. Next is for Dubai. For a leading contracting company, the position is mobile crane operators. UA license with experience in operating 50 tons crane is required. So the email ID for this posting is resume1@sigalindia.net, and you can see the mobile number as well. Next is for NBTC Abu Dhabi. This is for a oil and gas construction project. Online interviews are in progress, so you need to hurry up and apply immediately. Civil foremen are required. Total openings are 60. Diploma with 6 to 8 years of experience in Gulf in oil and gas industry is mandatory. Salary will be between 2,750 to 3,500 AD, plus free food and accommodation will be provided by company. The email ID is sigalkochi@gmail.com. So friends, you will get contact details like email address, then the office address and mobile numbers at the bottom of each posting. You can take a screenshot for future reference. Next is for Bahrain. It's a long-term project. Client interviews will be on 20th of December in Mumbai. SMAW welders 3G 10 openings and structure fabricator 5 openings. Free accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. Candidate should have 3 to 5 years of Gulf experience. Email ID is rajesh@sigalindia.net. Next is for Abu Dhabi. Same company NBTC. Online interviews in progress. The position is welding engineers. You can see the detailed requirements is given. You can take a screenshot and review it before you apply. Salary will be 14,000 to 15,000 AD, plus free food and accommodation will be provided by company. Resume1@sigalindia.net is the email ID for this posting. Next is for Abu Dhabi, same NBTC, and the position is senior engineer for mechanical estimation, tendering stage. Online interviews are in progress. Bachelor of Engineering Mechanical, 10 to 15 years of experience in oil and gas, construction pre-award in contracting companies. UAE experience is mandatory. Salary is going to be 18,000 to 20,000 AD per month. Resume1@sigalindia.net is the email ID. Next is for Qatar. For an international company, it's a long-term project, large requirements, client interview soon. Positions are scaffolder supervisor, scaffolder inspector, scaffolders driver light and heavy with Qatar license, multi-license light and heavy duty equipment driver, workshop technician, auto mechanic, mechanical technician only static, diploma B mechanical or and ITI will not be accepted. Then general workers also required. Candidates must have Gulf experience, immediate departure, attractive salary, OT, free food, accommodation, transportation will be provided by company. Walk-in interviews on 19th and 20th of December, which is tomorrow. The offices for this posting is Mumbai, Kochi, Vizag, Chennai and Baroda. So you can choose any of your nearest location and apply immediately. Next is for Dubai, and the position is supervisor dispatch. 10 openings, minimum 3 to 5 years of related work experience in the same industry is required. Sigil UAE 2024 @gmail.com is going to be email ID for this posting. Next is for Qatar, estimation engineer, piping, structurer, shutdown projects, senior construction supervisor, piping and structurer, mechanical foreman, piping and structurer, AutoCAD technician, piping and structurer. Client interviews will be on 24th of December in Mumbai. a.zadav@dss-hr.com will be the email ID for this posting. Next is for Saudi, rigger level 3, material controller. English communication is must, minimum 10 years of experience is required. Next is for Qatar, it's a long-term project for a leading oil and gas company. Client interviews will be on 21st of December in Trichy. The positions are rigging supervisor, HSC officer or assistant, mechanical technician, pipe fabricator, electrician. All candidates must have Gulf experience in oil and gas. So the email ID is mechanical@indianpersonnel.com. Next is for Saudi. Shortlisting is in progress from 19th and 20th of December. Final client interview shortly. Quality engineer role forming. Operator, bending machine, hydraulic press operator. Laser operator knows AutoCAD drawing. Wire cut and spark CNC EDM. Quality engineer, turning machine, mold designer, CNC milling operator. Accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. You can see the contact details for Cochin and Chennai office. So the email ID for Cochin will be hr1@ashutoshmarine.com and for Chennai is hr22@asmax.net, and there is email ID for Mumbai office as well, info@asmax.com. So again, approach to any of your nearest location and send your documents for shortlisting. This is for UAE, long-term project. Senior planning engineer, salary will be 20,000 AED per month. For junior planning engineer, 15,000. Senior scheduling engineer, 15,000. Senior E&I engineer, 15,000. In charge E&I execution will be 20,000. So 10 to 15 years of experience in oil and gas industry is required. Bachelor degree in engineering is required. Benefit will be food, accommodation and transportation. These all will be provided by company. UAE resumes @fgivala.com is the email ID for this posting. You can see the WhatsApp and normal calling number. Next is for UAE again. Data encoder ARP, salary will be 2,800 AED. It's a free recruitment, there will be no service charge. You can see the detailed requirements, review it before you apply. Food, accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. UAEjobs@fgivala.com is the email ID. Next is for Russia, client interviews will be on 9th of January in Vadodara. Vacancies are in large number. Electrician and foreman are required. So attractive salaries, food, accommodation will be provided by company, and the email ID is vad4@asiapowerlimited.com. You can see the contact numbers as well and the detailed address for interview location. Next is for Qatar, vacancies in large number. Mechanic, heavy machineries, light machineries, HMV, LMV, maintenance, hydraulics. So these are the mechanics opening. Then auto electrician, compressor technician, operator crane, automobile air conditioner technician, DG electrical technician, tireman, wheel worker, work technician, denting and body work technician, then radiator technician. These are the openings. 3 years of abroad experience with minimum 5 years of oil and gas construction experience is must. So you can see the contact number. In case of any queries, you can contact them directly. Attractive salary, food, accommodation, transportation will be provided by company. This is for Saudi. Client interviews will be on 21st and 22nd of December. It's a long-term employment contract. You can see the positions: basic salary, food allowance, accommodation status, and transportation status. So staff coordinator, dispatcher, procurement manager, mechanical or irrigation engineer, MEP supervisor, water feature fountain technician, plumber, pump technician, and electricians. These are the requirements. Basic salary and food is given for all the positions. Accommodation and transportation will be applicable and free for all the positions. So email ID is hr@astaconsulting.com. You can see the mobile number for calling and WhatsApp, and the detailed interview location address is also given. This is for Saudi. Interviews will be in Delhi on 21st of December. Bus driver with Saudi license, staff coordinator, dispatcher, procurement manager, MEP supervisor, storekeeper, mechanical, MEP irrigation engineer, plumber helper, electrician, pump technician, MEP helper, civil supervisor. So here also you can see basic salary, food allowance. This is a kind of similar to the previous posting, but few positions are added to this posting. ahad@astaconsulting.com is the email ID. You can see the WhatsApp and calling number. 2 years contract, renewable. This is for Saudi, and interviews will be on 21st of December. Storekeeper, plumber, most of the same positions. So we'll jump to the next. This is for Saudi, and client interviews will be in Delhi on 2nd January. Senior mechanical technician, mechanical electrical technician, HVAC technician, chiller technician, agriculture technician, lift technician, and there are many openings related to firefighting, gypsum, high voltage, boiler, BMS, laundry equipment, medical gas, pump, STP, WTP, then wall spray painter, painting related jobs. So you can take a screenshot of all these positions, and if you see any relevant position, then you can immediately apply on resume@hrinternational.in. The contact details are given. Interviews will be in Delhi on 2nd January. This is for Saudi again. Client interviews will be in Delhi on 23rd and 24th of December, and in Mumbai on 26th and 27th of December. So friends, this is for a leading company. Interview Mumbai and Delhi. Dates I have already mentioned. Steel fixer, gypsum, carpenter, mason, mechanical helper, lighting and power system, electrician, panel termination, cable tray fabricator and low current system, electrician, concrete carpenter, tile mason, painter, scaffolder, helper, plumber, steel pipe welder, electrical helper. All candidates must have minimum 2 to 3 years of experience in relevant field. So if you wish to apply, apply on mg48@mgivala.com. Send all the relevant documents. Don't miss the opportunities. And these all postings are from the genuine consultants, so you no need to worry. This is a long-term project for Kuwait. Free food and accommodation will be provided by company. Direct interviews will be at Mumbai on first week of January. Process engineer, steam and water handling. Operator first, crude. Operator first, steam and water handling. Technical assistant planning. Operator second, crude and steam handling. Field operator in the both stream again. Facility coordinator, senior mechanical fitter, instrumentation engineer. So you can see there are many positions related to instrumentation, electrical, cable jointer, HSC, welding, heavy equipments, fabricators, laborers, and crew cab drivers. So qualification degree, diploma or ITI will be considered. 5+ years of experience in relevant field is required in oil and gas maintenance project. Mumbai@falconservices.in is the email ID, and you can see multiple WhatsApp and calling numbers. So you can take a screenshot if needed of the positions and contact details. Next is for Bahrain, long-term project. Gulf experience is mandatory. Executive Secretary, Foreman HVAC technician, Industrial Plumber, Industrial Electrician, Assistant Electrician, and Houseboy or Cook. Money@falconservices.in is the email ID, and the WhatsApp number is also given. So friends, if you wish to apply for any of this position, then apply immediately. Interviews will be in Chennai on 4th of January. This is for Russia. Client interviews will be on 25th and 26th of December in Mumbai. Vacancies in large number, long-term project. Finishing work, you can see the positions department wise and category wise. So finishing work, brush painter, gypsum carpenter, team leader. For civil work, steel fixer, shuttering carpenter and team leader. For scaffolding, scaffolder, team leader. Equipment erection work, equipment erector and helper. Steel work, steel fixer and helper. Piping fixer, team leader and mechanical helper. So friends, the salary for all the positions are given in US dollar. So you can send your updated CV with the relevant documents on mukeshlibra01@gmail.com. Excellent salary with food, accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. 10 hours of working will be there. So you can see the contact numbers at the last. These are the WhatsApp numbers as well. Take a screenshot if needed. So friends, this is the excellent opportunity for Russia. All benefits are provided by company, so it is going to be a net saving per month. So friends, this was the postings for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you are new on the channel, and don't also forget to press the bell icon. So see you tomorrow with the new video on latest Gulf jobs. Till that time, all the best for all your efforts. Thank you very much.